What's up, guys? Out in the shop this evening, messing with the Buick a little bit. Found the oil leak on it. I'm show you how to repair that. What actually happened was the plastic line feeding the aftermarket oil pressure gauge sprung a leak. So we're gonna work on that leak today. I think I've got a way to fix it, replace it. But I'll kind of show you as we go along here, and then we'll maybe discuss it at the end. But here's what the problem is. You can see right there where that spot is, where it's dark. That's where the leak is. So anyway, talk to you in a few. All right, we got the old one out. Gonna put the new one in. Just want to show you guys. This is the two examples of the type of line you could use on an aftermarket gauge. This one is made out of a kind of a thin plastic. And then they had one that was copper. This unit with the copper was $4 more than this one. So you kind of think to yourself, I want to say $4 and end up having a leak, losing all your oil, you not know about it, and damaging the motor. For me, I think I'd rather just go ahead and spend the extra $4 and get one of these. Anyway, let's install it.
I was about to get real upset being in this car on the floorboard, but we just discussed that we didn't really tell y'all that we were using suppression fitting on this copper line. If you don't know what that is, there's a ton of places to find out what it is. YouTube's great. There's awesome little videos on them. But anyways, guys, let's get back down here and watch Willie get upset being in the floorboard of this car trying to get this line rounded. All right, see you guys.
What's up, guys? Got the oil leak fixed. We got good oil pressure. Just want to show you what it looks like when it's finished. And then inside.